Dear students, today I am going to start question number 10 from exercise 10.2. In question number 10, we have to find the equation of line which passes through point -3, 5 and perpendicular to the line joining the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. Now the slope of line joining points 2, 5 and -3, 6 is given by m is equal to 6 minus 5 upon -3 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Now we know that two non-vertical lines are perpendicular to each other if and only if their slopes is negative. Their slopes are negative reciprocals to each other. Therefore, slope of line perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and -3, 6 is given by minus 1 upon m, that is equal to minus 1 upon m is minus 1 by 5, that is equal to 5. Now the slope of line passing through the point 3 minus 5 is y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 3. Here we are using the formula of line passing through one point. Slope of that line passing through one point is y minus y0 is equal to m x minus x 0. So from here we will get the equation 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. Now question number 11. In question number 11 we are given a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divided in ratio 1:n. We have to find the equation of the line. So we will use here section formula. So the coordinates of point that divides the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 in ratio 1:n is given by n into 1 plus 1 into 2 upon 1 plus n and n into 0 plus 1 into 3 upon 1 plus n is equal to n plus 2 by n plus 1 and 3 upon n plus 1 by section formula. Now slope of line joining, we will find the slope of line joining points 1, 0 and 2, 3 is given by m is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, that is 3. By using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So the two non-vertical lines are perpendicular. So we will write two lines are perpendicular. If their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. So slope of line that is perpendicular to line joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 is minus 1 upon m, and m is 3, so it will be minus 1 upon 3. So equation of line passing through n by 2, n plus 2 upon n plus 1 and 3n plus 1, and whose slope is minus 1 by 3 is given by y minus 3 upon n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 x minus n plus 2 upon n plus 1. So we will cross multiply and we will get 3n plus 1 into y, and we will take the LCM on both sides. Minus 3 is equal to minus 1 n plus 1 x minus n plus 2. So it will become 3n plus 1 y minus 9, and here we have minus n plus 1 into x plus n plus 2. So taking terms containing x to left hand side, we will get n plus 1 x plus 3n plus 1 y is equal to n plus 2 minus 9 is transposed to other side, so it will become plus 9. It will become n plus 11. So we got the equation. Now question number 12. In question number 12, we have find the equation of line that cuts off equal intercepts on coordinate axis, that is x and y axis, and passing through the point 2 and 3. So the equation of a line in the intercept form. Intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Because a and b are the intercepts on x and y axis respectively. As a and b are intercepts on x and y axis respectively. Now it is given that the line cuts off equal intercepts on both the axes, therefore but a is equal to b as line cuts off equal intercepts. So equation will become, first equation 1 will become, we will replace b by a or a by b. X upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1. So we will get x plus y is equal to a. Now the line passes through point 2 and 3. Therefore, we will write x as 2 and y as 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to a, means a is equal to 5. So we will put the value of a in this equation number 2. Put value of a in equation 2. We will get x plus y is equal to 5, which is the required equation of the line. It is the required equation of line. So moving to question number 13. In question number 13, we are given find the equation of line passing through point 2 and 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Here we are given the sum of intercept as 9. So here A is 6 and B is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So the equation of line is x upon 6 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1, which will give us equation x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. If A is equal to 3 and B is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, then equation of line is x upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. And in this case, equation will be 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So equation of line in intercept form. Equation of line in intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Now a and b are intercepts on x and y axis respectively. So according to question, a plus b is equal to 9 or b is 9 minus a. So this equation will intercept form will become x upon a plus y upon 9 minus a is equal to 1. Now x, the point from which line is passing, that is 2 and 2. So we will replace x and y by 2. So it will become 2 upon a plus 2 upon 9 minus a is equal to 1. So we will take 2 common. We will take 2 common and we will get 1 upon a plus 1 upon 9 minus a is equal to 1. Taking the LCM, a into 9 minus a, 9 minus a plus a is equal to 1. So it will become 18 upon 9a minus a square is equal to 1, and we will get a quadratic in a. 9a minus a square is equal to 18, or you can say a square minus 9a minus plus 18 is equal to 0. We will get a quadratic in a. So from here we will get the value of a square minus 9a can be written as 6a minus 3a plus 18 is equal to 0. So taking a common from first two terms, a minus 6, and minus 3 common from last two terms, a minus 6 is equal to 0. From here we will get two values of a, that is 6 and 3. So therefore a is equal to 6 and 3.